In Syria, President Assad's government has accused Western powers of raising fears over its possible use of chemical weapons to create an excuse for military intervention. The U.S. Defense Secretary Leon Panetta is the latest U.S. official to express concern that the government may be considering using the weapons.
I think there is no question that we remain very concerned that as the opposition advances, in particular on Damascus, that the regime might very well consider the use of chemical weapons.
The horror remains unspeakable. 25 years ago, Saddam Hussein unleashed one of the worst poison gas attacks in history. In the town of Halabja, thousands were killed. Now, in Syria, U.S. concerns are growing by the hour that Bashar al-Assad may be planning the same thing against his citizens.
The intelligence that we have raises serious concerns that this is being considered.
U.S. intelligence shows Syria has mixed chemical compounds needed to make sarin gas, a deadly agent that can quickly kill thousands.
The United States and our allies are facing the prospect of an imminent use of weapons of mass destruction in Syria, and this may be the last warning we get.
The U.S. is not precisely saying what the Syrians are doing, but there are two ways of mixing elements to make a sarin-filled weapon.
And you have to handle it very, very carefully because a drop will kill you. So often this will be done at the last minute.
There's another way to do it. Two chemicals are placed in an artillery shell separated by a disc. When the shell is fired, the disc explodes. The chemicals mix, becoming deadly sarin. But at some point, the chemicals are on the move.
Then they have to decide to move it to the place where the delivery system sits. So it may be artillery pieces and an artillery battery of some kind. It could be an airport or military airbase where the bombers are sitting.
That may be the final opportunity to strike before chemical weapons are used.
Time for talking about what to do may now be coming to a close, and we may instead be left with an awful and very difficult decision.
Sarin, when stored properly, can have a shelf life of several weeks, so these tensions may now